What do you prioritize more, low fees and a massive ecosystem, or industry-leading security and ironclad regulation? That choice is exactly what you face when comparing two crypto giants, Crypto.com and Gemini. They both want your business, but they target very different kinds of crypto investors. In this head-to-head battle, we're breaking down their mobile apps and services to help you decide which is the right fit for your portfolio. Let's start with the mobile experience. Crypto.com's app is best in class for a reason. It's widely regarded as the best mobile app for those who trade frequently on the go. The interface is clean, fast, and gives you direct access to their entire ecosystem. Gemini's mobile app is also user-friendly, catering to both beginners and those using its advanced trading platform, ActiveTrader. While intuitive, its primary focus is often seen as simplicity and security over sheer feature depth. But the real difference is in the service features. Crypto.com is an entire crypto universe. It offers a huge selection of over 350 cryptocurrencies, a range that dwarfs Gemini's more curated selection of around 70 or so. Beyond trading, Crypto.com's ecosystem is built around spending and earning. They offer the famous Crypto.com Visa card with cashback rewards, staking for passive income, and even an NFT marketplace. If you want a full suite of products to live your crypto life, Crypto.com has the breadth. Gemini, on the other hand, is built on a foundation of trust and regulation. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, it was the first crypto exchange to achieve SOC 1 Type 2 and SOC 2 Type 2 certifications, which is a big deal in the finance world. This rigorous compliance and focus on security is its defining feature. For users, this means mandatory two-factor authentication, high-level insurance, and institutional-grade security. For advanced users, their ActiveTrader platform offers competitive fees and tools, a significant step down from the higher fees on their basic app for instant orders. Speaking of fees, this is where you'll see a clear trade-off. Crypto.com tends to have much lower trading fees, especially for high-volume traders, with rates sometimes dipping as low as 0.075%. Gemini's instant buy fees on the simple mobile app are significantly higher, up to 1.49% plus a flat fee, though the ActiveTrader platform offers a much more competitive maker-slash-taker model. You're essentially paying a premium for Gemini's security and simple interface when using the basic app. So, who wins? If you are a beginner or experienced investor whose number one priority is a highly regulated, ultra-secure platform with a simple user experience, a place you can trust with your assets, Gemini is your choice. It's the secure, compliant option. If you are a frequent trader looking for the absolute lowest fees, the widest selection of altcoins, and a comprehensive ecosystem to spend and earn crypto rewards, then Crypto.com is the better platform for you. Choose your exchange based on your goal, security or scale. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.